No! What is this?
Keep going.
No! I don't want to break my arm because I need my arm now. Just throw yourself. Throw yourself. Come.
Keep pulling harder.
Your friends.
You don't want to shoot my
Honey, keep reeling. Go like this. Come on.
Ow! Ow! Ah!
Keep going.
You're gonna lose it, baby. No.
Keep going.
I see. Come over here. So hurts so bad.
Keep going. Keep going.
Ah!
Oh. No.
Keep going.
It's running away from you.
Oh my goodness.
Isaiah, you gotta get lower.
Might be a sturgeon.
Honey, can you pull up his pants, please?
I can.
No, just stay a little bit here. Keep pressure on it.
Okay, you need to, oh,
You need a hand?
whoa. No, let him finish it.
So much. Oh.
Keep going.
Don't.
Keep going. It's almost there, baby. Good fight, huh?
Crazy fight.
Oh,
No!
oh, come on. It's running. No, don't do that. Oh, I hope your line doesn't snap.
And I hope it's not a sturgeon because I want my brother to have his arms.
He's not going to lose his arms. That's a good fight, Isaiah.
Ah! This,
Oh, a pike. Keep going. I saw it.
at least it's not a sturgeon.
Oh.
Ow! Whoa! Whoa! Why didn't you get out the chance? Why? My arm hurts.
Keep going, my bud.
Ow. Ah! Did you break your arm?
Keep going. Reel it in. Reel.
Keep going.
Reel.
It's almost there. Oh, go get it, Dad. Oh my goodness, that's a beast.
What is it? What is it? Calm down, boy.
Go get the net, put it in
But what is it?
so that you can help.
What is it?
It's a pike.
thought
I
it
think
was
it's your biggest one, Isaiah.
Where's my tool
Holy.
bag?
Huh?
Where's my